Department of Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur, amasung Department of Welfare of OBC, SC, Department Anigi, Sentang Makada, MOBEDS na implement toduna Chief Minister Lairik Haiminase program ge Makada Pangthok Liba class 8 gi 12 fawgi Makada lay 12 fawda leiba Satra Singi, Damakta Tha Taruk ki free remedial coaching class ki Thorum Haukiba 2024 gi July Thadagi Hoduna Mathang Tongan Bom Ofum Kayada Haibadi pre-metric Fawbagi Oina Center Kun Amade post metric Fawbagina Center Nipalda Hauzik Pangthokli Coaching Asigi Saruk Ama Oina MOBEDS na Haukiba Sahigi December Thada School Bag, Notebooks, Geometrical Instrument Box, Pen Chingba Study Material Yenthokpa Hauki Ngasisu Makha Tarakpa Saruk Oina Kasturba Gandhi Bal Bildika Androda class 9, 10 amadi 8 ki oiba coaching class pangthoktuna lakli masida andro SC ki MLA TS Shyam Kumar na chief guest MOBDS ki assistant project officer scheme asigi officer in charge su oiriba MD Alamna guest of honor school adu ki principal Y Rani Rose yauna school bag notebook pencil pen geometrical instrument na singba sing mahiroi sama kunma fanda scheme asigi makada yenthoki thoram aduga mari leinana MLA Shyam Kumar na Chief Minister Lairik Haiminase program gi makada sugaina wafam kaya phongdoki haina MD Alam nasu center asida mafung fana program ase pangthok bagi damak thagat wahai kaya thamki